Hi guys, gumawa ako ng refreshing drink. Lemongrass with ginger and organic sugar. Yan. Simple lang. Ayan siya, pinakuluan ko siya. Tapos, siyempre nilagyan ko ng ice ang baso para maging malamig. Pero kung gusto nyo ng mainit, pwede rin. It's no problem with that. Ayan o. It's a healthy drink with lots of benefits in our body. Yan. Ingredients, 2 basong tubig, 2 kutsarang asukal, 100 grams na lemongrass na dinikdik ko na, at saka 50 grams na luya na hiniwa ko ng manipis. Ayan guys. Tapos pinakuluan ng 2 to 5 minutes. After that, ayan na siya. Nilagay ko na siya sa baso. Ayan. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. God bless everyone. Have a nice day po. Thank you for watching my reels. Bye.